Imagine a lobby of a luxury hotel in a stormy evening, gleaming chandeliers, shining marble floor, and suddenly the tranquility is shattered by an irate guest. He is unhappy, frustrated, and wants everyone to know it. How do you handle this? Welcome to the world of hospitality. With right mindset, quick thinking, and a calm demeanor, you can turn this potential disaster into triumph. Today, we will learn how to handle an upset and angry guest with simple, easy-to-follow steps. Step 1. Stay calm and listen. Commonly in such situation, employees go for defending themselves and argue with guests. But that's not a productive approach. Instead, remain calm and let the guest vent out their frustrations. Guests want to be heard and validates their feelings. Step 2. Empathize and apologize. Show to the guest that you care about their feelings. Apologize and say, "I'm sorry for the inconvenience you're experiencing." Even if it's not your fault, it's not about accepting blame. It's about acknowledging their distress. Step 3. Find a solution and take action. After you understand the issue, it's time to think of a solution to fix the situation. Simply try to resolve the situation, or for compensating, you could offer a room upgrade or a complimentary meal. The goal is to turn their dissatisfaction into satisfaction. Step 4. Follow up. After resolving the issue, make sure to check back with the guest. This shows that the hotel genuinely cares about the guest's experience and isn't just trying to provide a temporary fix. Step 5. Learn from the experience. Every situation, especially the difficult one, is a chance to learn and improve. Think about what happened, what went wrong, and take steps to ensure it doesn't happen again. Well, all of these steps might seem simple, and effectively applying them makes the difference for sure. And do remember, every difficult situation and dissatisfied guest gives an opportunity to demonstrate the quality of your service and strength of your character. Next time you find a storm brewing in the lobby, take a deep breath and put on your best smile and step into the fray. This is not just about resolving a conflict, it's about creating a memorable experience. And in the world of hospitality, that's what truly matters.